Yes, children, we discussed about the settlements of the river areas, river areas of the early humans. Okay, some cities developed along rivers and its tributaries, and later on the banks of Ganga, its tributaries, and along sea coast. Okay, yes. How is the people in the northeast and the Vindhya in central? First places where rice was grown to the of the Vindhyas. Yes, where what is the first place the people grown the barley and wheat? Do you remember that? What was the first place where the barley and wheat grown? Suleiman and Kirda Hills. Very good. Here they are saying in the Vindhya in central and also the east areas, places where rice was grown to the Vindhyas regions. Yes, Ganga and its tributaries. In ancient times, the area was along these rivers to the south of the Ganga was known as Magadha Kingdom. Later you know, read about the Magadha Kingdom. What people did, they were skilled gatherers and even hunted animals because they were the gatherers and hunters. Okay, they are hunt the small animals for their food and gather the fruits, roots, nuts where they available. They began to grow wheat and barley. The people know to grow wheat and barley. We saw the place Kirda and Sulaiman Hills was the first place where the wheat and barley grown, or wheat and barley was the first grains were grown on the Kirdar and Sulaiman Hills. They even reared animals. The people in that areas, they even reared animals, cattle, sheep, and everything. Reasons: people continuously move, often moving from place to place. That we saw, people traveled from one part of the subcontinent to another. Journeys are dangerous. Okay, continuously they are traveling from one place to another. For what reasons? They are throughout people traveled from one part of the subcontinent to another. The hills and high mountains, including the Himalayas, deserts, and rivers and seas, made journeys very dangerous in those days, but never impossible because they are moving from place to place always. So men and women moved in search of livelihood as well as to escape from the natural disaster such as earthquake, landslides, and flood. Due to this reasons also they are moving from place to place and conquering other lands. That's very important. Sometimes men marched in armies conquering others' land. Besides, merchants traveled with caravans or ships carrying valuable goods from place to place. And also, religious teachers walked from village to village, town to town, and they advised the people and giving a valuable message to the people on their way. Some people traveled driven by a spirit of adventure, that is wanting to discover new and exciting places. All these led to sharing ideas of between peoples. Okay, children, yes, you go through it again. The people often moving in earlier time, why means people traveled from one part of the subcontinent to another. Journeys are dangerous at times but impossible. Search of livelihood, escape from natural disaster. Men and women search of live for their own livelihood. Escape from natural disaster means from the natural disaster, earthquake, floods, and everything. Conquering, men and women are always moving for conquering the others' lands. Merchants also traveled with caravans or ships carrying valuable goods from place to place. And religious teachers walked from village to village, town to town. Some people traveled driven by a spirit adventure. Yes, children, again a short recap for you. Listen. Through history, what we will know. Okay. It is a branch of knowledge dealing with past events, a continuous systematic narrative of past events as relating to a particular people, country, period, person, and even place, etc. History means enriches knowledge. In this sixth grade, you will going to know about the early Vedic period or ancient history of India. What, where, how, and when. What the people did, where the people lived in the ancient history fully, I'm saying. Not only the earlier, that means Stone Age, okay, till medieval period, what and all. This fully you're going to see in the whole year. What are the people lived in those times? Where are they lived? How they in what way they lived? How did they do? And when they lived? Okay. Yes. What can we know about the past? It is not only about, listen children, remember, it is not only about the Stone Age human, okay? Then where did people live? If you immediately, you don't think about the early humans only. What people did, it is all throughout, about the kings, queens, merchants, everything, priest, these peoples we will listen, going to learn. Ancient period, medieval period, modern period. We go this year fully. What people doing in the ancient did in the ancient period, where they lived in the ancient period, how they lived in the ancient period, and when. That is ancient period. What is the time? Okay, that only we going to learn this whole year. Then Stone Age, a short recap for this last years. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic. Okay, Paleo means old, Meso means micro, Neo means new, Chalco means copper plus stone. Then, where they are settlements. What can we know about the past? Not only by the early humans and also all the things about the eating habits, clothes, houses, profession. We know what people eat, the kinds of clothes they wore that time, the houses in which they lived. We can find out about the lives of hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craftspersons. These are next coming lessons. Okay, children. This lesson about the early humans we know little bit, but the coming lessons we will read, we will know about these hunters we completed, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artists, musicians, and scientists. What is their food? Early humans were skilled gatherers. That is, people who gather their foods, they knew where is the food available according to the season also. Where did people live? At the banks of rivers like Narmada and Kirdar Sulaiman Hills and Ganga and its tributary, Garo Hills and Vindhyan Range. It is central India. Wheat and barley was the first crop grown in this area, that is Sulaiman and Kirdar Hills, about 8,000 years ago. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat, and cattle. Settlements also found in Garo Hills in northwest and Vindhyas in central India. People lived in villages also. Some cities were developed along river and its tributaries, and later on the banks of Ganga, its tributaries. People in north, first places where rice was grown on the is this area, that is Vindhya in the central India. Ganga and its tributaries, the great kingdom we can found in the Magadha kingdom in those areas. What people did, they were skilled gatherers and even hunted animals. They began to grow wheat and barley, they even reared animals. What was the reasons they are moving? People traveled from one part of the subcontinent to another. Journeys are dangerous at times. but impossible because they are often moving. Why? It was very dangerous. They are crossing Himalayas, deserts, plateaus and plains and thick forests also. And men and women always searched the livelihood for that also. They are traveled from one place to another. And also they are traveled for escaping from natural disasters, that is flood, earthquake, landslides, etc. and conquering the other's place. For this reason also they are moving from one place to another. Merchants traveled with caravans with valuable things, carrying goods from place to place. And religious teachers walked from village to village. They also moved from one place to another place. For what purpose? On the way they are advised and giving the valuable messages to the people. Then some people traveled driven by a spirit of adventure. Yes. What is history? It is a study of past. Okay, it is a study of past, a study about past. What were the occupations of the people in early days? Earlier, at very first, that is the Stone Age, they were hunters and gatherers. Later, they were priests, musicians, craft persons, rulers, everything. Earliest people were skilled in dash. They were skilled in gathering. They were skilled gatherers. Where did women and men first begin to cultivate crops such as wheaten, barley? Where? Shall I give the clue for you? That the place near the border of India and Pakistan. Kirdar and Sulaiman Hills. Okay. Where Kirdar and Sulaiman is the place first begin to cultivate crops such as wheat and barley. People in the hills reared dash and dash hills. People in the hills reared dash and dash goat and sheep. Vindhyas are in central part of India. Name the tributary of the river Ganga. You just refer the map which is given in your textbook. Okay. Then you give the answer to me through WhatsApp. Why did people travel from one place to another place? For searching livelihood, escaping from natural disaster, conquering others' place, and people, religious teachers moved from village to village for giving a valuable message to the people, and merchants traveled with caravans with valuable goods from place to place. These reasons they often move from place to place. Yes, children, go through your textbook clearly. I am giving a short things for you. Okay, it is very short. We will learn very clearly next chapters, next topics in the same chapter. So go through it. If you have any doubt, ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you, children. Take care.